Jigsaw is a versatile power tool that lets you tackle different carpentry projects that include cutting, making curves, create holes, cut shapes, and other tasks. There are many products available to choose jigsaws, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best jigsaws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Porter Cable 20V Max Jigsaw. This PCC 650B is a cordless lithium-ion jigsaw that features 3 orbital settings to adjust the aggressiveness of cutting across wide range of applications. The variable speed trigger will provide proper control over the clean and accurate cutting. The integrated dust blower will clear away the debris for proper visibility of the cutting area. The tool-free blade release will allow the user to change the blade quickly and easily. The bevel adjustable shoe will provide the ability to cut from 0 to 45-degree bevel cuts. The contoured overmolded handle will optimize to the increased comfort. One can easily perform various applications like straight and scroll cuts, bevel cuts, cutting PVC pipes, sink cutouts, cutting 1.5 inches copper pipe. Comes with various features like variable speed trigger, integrated dust blower, tool-free blade release, and 3 orbital settings. Both T-shank and U-shank blades gets fitted easily in this tool. Number 2. WEN 33606 6.6 amp variable speed orbital jigsaw. The WEN 33606 is a versatile tool designed to handle a wide range of cutting tasks with efficiency. Whether you're cutting wavy lines, angled edges, or simple straight lines, this jigsaw is here to help. Powered by a solid 6.6 amp motor, it operates at a maximum speed of 3,300 strokes per minute. This helps you cut through different stuff without a problem. Precision is key when it comes to cutting, and the WEN offers just that. You can change how fast it cuts with the dial, so you can make neat and exact cuts, no matter how thick or hard the stuff is. The 4-position orbital selection knob, which provides flexibility in blade motion. By switching from vertical to orbital mode, you can adapt to different cutting. This is helpful when you're cutting thick stuff because it makes it easier, and you can still be super careful. Adding to its versatility, this jigsaw can bevel up to 45 degrees in either direction, expanding your cutting options. It also boasts an onboard laser and LED light, guiding your cuts with pinpoint accuracy. Changing blades is a straightforward process, thanks to the tool-free blade change system. It simplifies the blade replacement process, saving you time and effort. The dust port ensures a clean workspace by effectively collecting dust and debris. If your work demands specialized blades, they are readily available for separate purchase. It's designed to be lightweight at 5.4 pounds and compact, measuring 9.38 inches in length, 3.25 inches in width, and 8.63 inches in height. Number 3. Makita XVJ3Z18VLXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Jigsaw. Makita XVJ32LXT is a lithium-ion cordless jigsaw that aids in precise jigsaw cutting performance with less vibration and noise to provide comfort and proper control over the saw. It's motor engineered for versatile power, and its ergonomic design comes in a compact size. It is lightweight to reduce the fatigue feel in the operator and gives comfort to the user. The Makita-built variable speed motor will deliver speed that range from 0 to 26 OSPM to ensure a fast and efficient cutting. Also, it has large 2-finger variable speed trigger for user convenience operation. This versatile tool has 3 orbital settings along with straight cutting to use in a variety of materials. The Star Protection computer controls will protect the device from overloading, overheating, and overdischarging. It is sold as bare tool, so one has to purchase it separately, but make sure to use genuine Makita batteries and chargers. Number 4. Avid Power Cordless Jigsaw 20V Jigsaw. Avid Power's jigsaw is powered by a 600W motor that can generate enough power to deliver up to 3000 SPM to fulfill your cutting demands. It features a 6-speed control dial using which you can change the speed of the motor depending on the material and the type of cut you want to create. With this jigsaw, you can cut wood up to a maximum depth of 2/2 inch and metal up to 1/4 inch. To ensure that you achieve precision cutting, the jigsaw comes with a scale ruler. This jigsaw offers you an adjustable bevel cutting angle up to 45 degrees to make difficult cuts with relative ease. Furthermore, you can make curved and beveled cuts at plus 45 degrees. The jigsaw features an ergonomic design with a lock-on switch that allows you to operate it comfortably for long hours without any fatigue. The rubber handle ensures that you have a good grip and improved control while you are machining. It is very easy to change the saw blades as it does not require any tools. There is a rear dust extraction that collects the debris and ensures your workplace is kept clean. Along with the jigsaw, you get 6 saw blades, a dust exhaust pipe, an Allen wrench, and a user manual. Number 5. Bosch JS470E 120V 7.0 amp corded top handle jigsaw. This JS470 is a corded model that comes with top handle, low vibration, power motor, and variable speed for smooth cutting of various materials. It exudes durability, power and precision in the cast aluminum footplate and excellent industrial design that make it to withstand any toughest job. The accuracy and precision cut made by this jigsaw will make it perfect for either personal or professional. It comes with no load SPM ranges from 500, 31.0 and the maximum bevel cut angle is 45 dig. Bosch developed a constant response circuitry that makes you not to worry about inconsistencies in precision and performance. One can easily adjust the blade between 4 different orbital action settings that allow you to find the right kind of blade strokes for smooth to aggressive cuts. The tool-less blade ejection lever to eject the hot blades without touching it. The plunging system of this machine will aid in low vibration and enhance smooth and accuracy operation. The lock-on button will help for the stead cuts and user comfort for a longer time. The adjustable dust blower will help to clear the sawdust and other debris to keep the cutting line clear and large. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.